Heavy-duty 2-tier under cabinet extra deep pull-out chrome wire storage shelf for kitchen and bathroom. Smooth, double glides operate independently to provide easy access to cabinet contents. Double baskets can hold a variety of cleaning products, pots, pans, or styling products, up to 88 pounds. All hardware included and ready to install. 15.5 height by 14.5 width by 21 depth. This sliding under cabinet organizer has two independently sliding tiers and is 14.5 width by 21 depth by 15.5 height. Household Essentials Glidez dual slide under cabinet sliding organizers attached to the bottom of kitchen and bathroom cabinets to quickly bring the back of the cabinet in reach. Their two-tier of baskets slide in and out of the cabinet independently, making the bottom basket easier than ever to get into. These industrial organizers are made from premium chromed steel, with thicker, stronger wire than the competition. The sturdy vertical Glidez 2 inches tall and support up to 88 pounds. Glidez organizers create a custom kitchen with organization that fits your cabinet's width, depth, and height. Organizers slide all the way out of the cabinet, clearing the door completely when installed as directed. This means less bending and reaching to get to whatever you store in your cabinets. Perfect for kitchen storage, bathroom storage, and even closets and pantries, Glidez organizers can attach to commercial shelving with CB 2006 brackets, sold separately. Tailor your cabinet space and bring the back of the cabinet to you with Glidez under cabinet storage and organization. Dual slide Glidez under cabinet organizers are 15.5 inches high and 21 inches deep. They are available in 11.5 and 14.5 inch wide options. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent quality, worth the price. We have older 1970s cabinets. We looked at replacing them to get the new upgraded slides that utilize the space better, but after pricing the replacements the cost was too high and the cabinets we could afford were not as good as what we have. We decided to try adding the upgrade to our old cabinet. This system is excellent quality, very heavy duty. My husband commented several times at how good the quality of all the parts are. Absolutely love the results. We needed more space for plastic storage containers and dish towels, but you could easily use it for heavy items like pots and pans. May seem a little pricey, but compared to the cost of replacing the old cabinets it is a bargain worth every penny. Note: most important thing before ordering, measure the height/width/depth of your cabinet to ensure it will fit your space. We have a standard 15x24 base cabinet and this fit perfectly.